Hi, I'm Larry from Used and New in Sparta, Wisconsin. We take down unwanted buildings and we save all the materials that we can so that people can use them for various projects. One of the materials that we save that some other folks don't actually is we call it naily wood. These are old roofing boards that were used before the invention of plywood, which is mostly used for sheathing on roofs today. In the olden days, they saved whatever material was left over after they had put up their siding and got their flooring all cut out, and those boards that were left over went on the roof. So sometimes they had wider, narrower pieces that went up there. Sometimes they had more bark on the edges or other things that they would have considered defects, but that's what gives these roofing boards a lot of character today. Also, generally in those days they were using cedar shakes, wooden shakes for their shingles, and so when you look carefully at the surface of the boards, you see a lot of little nail holes that are left in there, and that's part of the character that we enjoy too. Now we've put this ceiling up using naily wood boards, and because the edges aren't perfectly straight, we've also used what would be considered battens. Now to make the battens, we actually took some of our rough sawn 2x4s and we ripped the edges off, and that gives us a strip that we can cover the gaps between the naily wood boards on the ceiling. Now naily wood can be used for ceilings, it could be used for accent walls. We've sold some of it that folks have made some really interesting and unique furniture pieces out of. It's just another very cool product that you don't find anymore unless you are able to find it from a reclaimed wood source, which Used and New is. And if you'd like to, consider using some naily wood for a project that you've got in mind, just get in touch with us and we'll hook you up.